Debbie and Ray want to know about your plans for car insurance and specifically how you would lower the rates.
Yeah, well, thank you, Sasha, and thank Debbie and Ray for a really important question. I was just in Detroit today, and in Detroit's 48227 zip code, Detroiters pay 5 times the national average in auto insurance. We've got a plan to reverse the rates. It consists of 4 things. Number 1, no more redlining. Right now, we allow auto insurers to make decisions about what your rates are based on what job you work, what your education level is, your credit score, and where you live. That doesn't make sense to me. The only thing they should be able to pay attention to is your driving record and whether or not you're over the age of 25. That, to me, is the only thing that should be taken into account when a decision is made about how much you pay. So we've got to push the anti-redlining bill that's been championed by people like Abdul Hamoud, representative out of Dearborn. We've also got to stand up and build a Truth in Insurance Commission. What Truth in Insurance would do is create the means of everyday people to hold insurance companies accountable, being able to say, how have you put together your rates? Why are you charging what you're charging? How much money is in the catastrophic claims fund? Right now, we don't have any visibility on that, and the lack of transparency is hurting people. Number 3, we have watched as both the hospital industry and trial lawyers have taken advantage and exploited the system. Right now, the hospital industry can charge auto insurers well more than they would charge other sources of health insurance for the same exact set of goods. And that's not okay anymore. And so we've got to establish a fee schedule that is stuck to by the hospitals. And then we've watched as trial lawyers have, in effect, exploited rules of accidents, being able to charge auto insurance for legal fees. And I just don't believe that's right. And then lastly, the reason our auto insurance is so expensive in Michigan is because we're one of very few states that allows auto insurance to double as health insurance too. I believe in universal health insurance, and I hope that we get to talk about our Michicare plan. And what Michicare would do is provide every Michigander access to health insurance so we can let auto insurance go back to being auto insurance again. We do those 4 things, our rates come way down, and we don't have these disparities in rates between different communities across the state.